Spoken English practice from Kannada to English. First sentence. ನನ್ನ ನೋಡು. Look at me. Look at me. ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸು. Finish the task. Finish the task. ಅದು ನಂದು. That is mine. That is mine. ನಾನು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. I will come along. I will come along. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡು. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡು. Take your time. Take your time. ಕನಸುಗಳು ನನಸಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. Dreams come true. Dreams come true. ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಬಾ. Come for sure. Come for sure. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? Where to go? Where to go? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡಿ. Wait a little. Wait a little.